Okay, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is our 5 video in YouTube comment prediction using machine learning tutorial series. Just to remind you that in a previous video we covered the accuracy by cross-validation and the confusion matrix. I promised you that in next video, which is this video I'm teaching you, will cover precision, recall, F1 score, and receiver operating characteristic curve, ROC curve. But in this video we won't cover ROS curve, but we'll cover precision, recall, and F1 score as machine learning metrics for algorithm. I have seen that cross-validation, confusion matrix, F1 score, precision, and recall are all enough to measure the accuracy of algorithm. So we'll learn what the meaning of recall, precision, and F1 score, and how to find it by using classification in machine learning. So by starting the meaning of recall is the ability of classifier to find all positive instance. Means it's the ability of classifier to get positive instance, because when you're making prediction there are false instances which are wrong and a positive instance. So recall is the ability of classifier to find all positive instance. It's the ratio of true positive to the sum of true positive and false positive. Means when we say recall is equal to, this is recall, let's say recall is equal to true positive true positive, something like this, then true positive plus false negative. So that is recall. High recall indicates class is correctly recognized. So if we find high recall, means our logarithm is doing great, is doing good. That's why, or that's it is our need. Why do we need to use a recall? Because we know that a logarithm with high recall indicates that the class is correctly recognized. So here, that's the meaning of recall. The meaning of precision, I can say, is the ability of classifier not to label an instance positive that is actually negative. Means it's the ability of classifier to do not make a mistake to name something positive while it is negative. How can we, what's the formula of precision? Precision is equal to true positive, then true positive plus false positive. That is precision. So far we have learned the meaning of recall and the meaning of precision. So it's the time to learn the meaning of F1 F1 score. F1 score is very simple. It is just a harmonic harmonic mean of recall and precision. Just the mean of recall and precision. Uh, for a logarithm to have a score of 1.0 means that is the best score, while the worst score is 0.0. So far we have learned the meaning of recall, why we need it, precision, and F1 score. So we can evaluate the performance of a logarithm by using recall only or precision only, but for we data scientists and the machine learning engineer, we are advised to use F1 score, which is average or the meaning of recall and the precision. So that's what the meaning and why we need it or why we need them. So it's the time to put implementation. Uh, we need to import. We need to import classification report from sklearn. From sklearn dot matrix import classification report classification report, something like this. Then after we need to print classification report classification report. Our classification report is equal to let me see here. We need to put y test underscore y test which is actual value, and predict, which is predicted value. Then there is extra, meaning there is extra parameter. Rebels is equal to 1, 2, 3. So after running this cell, hope we get precision, recall, and F1 score. As you can see, we have precision of 0.98. We have recall of 0.96. We have F1 score of 0.7. As I said before that the best F1 score is 1.0. Best score. So our F1 score is 0.97. So we are approaching to 1.0, which is the perfection, means that's the best F1 score. But this is enough. So we have finally measured the accuracy of a logarithm. Also, we learned that as long as recall is getting higher, also precision is getting higher, thus is how our algorithm is doing great in making prediction. So I can say this is just the end of our 5th tutorial in YouTube comment prediction tutorial series using machine learning. So far we are done with all metrics in machine learning. In the previous tutorial we learned how to check the performance using cross-validation. We have used the confusion matrix. We have used the precision and the recall. We have used the F1 score. Yeah, for performance measures or metrics in machine learning are enough. So we are currently satisfied with the performance of multinomial naive Bayes, which is our algorithm we are using so far. So the next video we are going to create a knob, and we are going to create a model by using job label. So do not miss the next video. Put like this video, put comment and subscribe for next video updates. To put a short summary of what we have learned the meaning of recall, which is uh, the ability of classifier to get all positive instance. We have learned the meaning of precision, which is the ability of classifier to not label an instance positive while it is negative. Also, we have learned the meaning of F1 score, which is harmonic, meaning of recurrent precision. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video in our tutorial series of YouTube comment prediction using machine learning. Goodbye.